court is now in session. Good morning, everyone.
Hey, bro. Can you tell me what's going on here, please?
Go in your chair.
Fuck.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. My name is Judge Schwager. Florians can just introduce themselves.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Mrs. Cooper and I defend the victim, Ms. Smith.
For me, my lawyer is not here today, but she is in USA, but if you want to call her, it's possible.
Okay. Miss Smith, could you come to the bar? So you are summoned to appear before the court to have suffered a sexual assault by Mr. Brian, the 2 November at 2 a.m. Can you say your version of the facts in details, please?
Yes, Your Honor. So, it was a Saturday night. I had spent the evening with all of my girlfriends. What a nice party. I purchased an Uber on my phone in order to go home. I was walking down the corner of Peace Street to reach the place where my Uber was waiting for. It was around 2 a.m. according to my memories. I saw the Uber along. As soon as the driver opened the door, it all started. I remember that he was so drunk and he wasn't able to talk that much. His speech wasn't clear at all. And unfortunately, he started to have inappropriate gestures. I immediately understood what was going to happen to me. Therefore, I wanted to get out of the car, but suddenly he locked the doors and I was stuck. And he raped me.
Okay, thanks you so much, Miss Smith. Okay, so do you have anything to add to plead your client's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
My client, Ms. Smith, is a victim. She's suffering and she's only the matter of one case, but there are so many who have been dismissed without further action. Rape is a frequent action that is not mentioned enough. A rape is committed every 40 seconds. Do you imagine? I don't know if you have a daughter, but if you have one, I guess you wouldn't want her to be raped. That's the same for every parent.
Don't talk about my family, that's not the point. If you try to make me aware, that won't work.
Nobody has to live through that, so what does that mean? We can't go outside alone without being afraid?
No, you can, but you have to be vigilant. For example, don't enter in a fucking car alone at 2 a.m. when you are a woman.
And men can? There are so many women who fight for this cause. There are demonstrations and posters everywhere. More than 250 women are raped every day in France, and 1 out of 3 has already been harassed or sexually assaulted at work. We can't live like that. If we do nothing, rapists will be free and they wouldn't be afraid. We have to judge them, they have to pay for what they do. My client has the courage to file a complaint. It must be an example for other women to show that we must not let it happen. We must act to stop it.
Oh, Your Honor, it's my lawyer. She wants to say something and defend me. It's possible?
Yes, okay.
It's not the subject. We don't care about rapes in France. It's not my problem. I'm just here for my client and not to listen about problems of other people. So please, I don't have a lot of time. Shut up if you don't have something very important to say.
I talk about rape in what is indeed the subject, and don't talk to me like that.
Let's talk my lawyer, please.
I talk to you like I want. You have no order to give me. You don't have argument or proof. You are just saying bullshit. That we finish.
Can you please take this trial seriously? It's very important for my client, and you're not even here.
Oh, shut up.
We all know that your client is telling bullshit. I'm wasting my time, so no, I'm not taking this seriously.
You can't say something like that. You don't even realize what you are saying. And why my client will invent this story.
Oh, Your Honor, it's totally bullshit.
I don't know and I don't care. Maybe just to earn money or to please my client.
Silence, that's enough. Go back to your seat. I consider your arguments, but what you just said are not facts. I require testimonies because if not, your story is bullshit. Indeed, it is evidence which establishes the facts. So now the accused is called to the bar. Okay, do you have anything to say in your favor?
Yes. It must have happened 4 or 5 days ago, I think. I don't remember very well. But I know that I was doing my evening tour, as usual. And, oh yes, do you want to test these very good drinks?
What is that? Drink?
It's Japanese drinks, very good. For
but-
party or... Oh, no,
drinks,
it's not
okay,
water.
okay, but it's nice, it's nice.
Yeah.
But
Good
continue, we're in trial, not that in
Yeah.
trial, okay?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
So, I won this customer, and she got into the car. I saw directly that she liked me. She showed me it, and she was a little bit strange with me. She seemed to be drunk, and that is why, I tried to repulse her, and I went buy some cigarettes in a shop. So that's all for me. Can I leave now?
Yes, you can. What is that?
Oh yeah, it's my Bob Marley ring. You know Bob Marley?
Yes, yes,
Very good.
Soldier.
Say, stop, we're in trial. It's
Oh,
not
shut
the
up,
shut up.
shots.
Yeah, my bro. I fucking bro here.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay, so excuse me, I must. Who must talk now?
My lawyer is going to talk and show you the truth.
Okay, man.
Okay, can you let me talk, please? I am in holidays, so I don't have all my times. My kids and my husband are waiting for me to do something more important than this trial. So I just want to say that Brian is completely innocent. There is no evidence. Maybe she's lying since the beginning just to earn money, or maybe she's crazy and wants to make my client in trouble. Also, he was in service. It's written on the Uber app. You can check on his phone. The pass lasted the expected time, so he wouldn't have time to rape her. And he said to me that he bought cigarettes at midnight in P Street. You can even talk to the seller if you want. So please, leave my client alone. This trial is useless. The truth is in front of your eyes. So please, can I go to the pool now?
Yes, I totally agree with my lawyer. For me, Miss Smith just telling bullshit and she's lying. Can I please go?
Objection, Your Honor. There's no tobacconists open after midnight in Peace Street. There's the proof on Google Maps. And do you see Miss Smith, how distraught she is? Could you really imagine that she...
So okay,
invents-
so can you give me a real map now?
Yes.
You have it? Okay, thanks. Okay. Objection accepted. So the same in the car happened Israel. The question is if Miss Smith was consenting.
I promise you, Your Honor, you raped me last Sunday night.
Objection, Your Honor. You just refute yourself. You maintain you were raped Saturday night, but you just said it was Sunday night.
Okay, objection accepted.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I wanted to say Saturday night, but I'm still shocked by this event.
No, it is a huge error, so we are going to deliberate. Okay, so I have already made my decision. It is Miss Smith who accused Mr. Brian for nothing, so sentence is that? Good afternoon, everyone. So I have made my reflection, and in reference to the laws, Miss Smith murdered Mr. Brian. So Miss Smith is sentenced to 5 years in prison.
Yes! Yes! Wait,
Stop.
wait!
Find a solution.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thanks.
You saved me.
Stop it.
You saved me. You
Stop
saved me.
it.
Yes.
I prefer die than I go in prison.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.